Hi guys, I'm Varsha, and I know it's been so long, but welcome back to my channel. And I can't give you any promises of being consistent. However, you can follow my Instagram here, and this is where I'm a little bit consistent. So make sure you give me a follow and watch what I do there. Alright, let's get right into this video. After watching this video, you're gonna feel a lot relieved that people misunderstand you. You're actually gonna thank the universe that some people out there end up misunderstanding you. First things first, being misunderstood is a part of your journey, and as a woman, it is inevitable. And if you wanna listen to me, then I would say you should never, ever, ever avoid being misunderstood. And you know what? Let me also tell you one more thing. You don't owe anyone an explanation when they misunderstand you. It is not your job to run after them, okay, and make them understand you. Like you explaining them once or twice or trying to explain them once or twice is fine, but when you run behind them and you beg them to understand you and to understand where you come from, you are literally not valuing yourself. Like, why would you beg a person to understand you? If they want to understand you, they would in the first time or the second or third time. You don't have to go behind them for the fourth, fifth, sixth time. You don't have to do that. I mean, why would you beg someone or plead someone to listen to you? So, the obvious next question is, what do I do? Shut the fuck up and get back to work. That's what you do. Because you let your growth speak for itself, not you, not your words, okay? That's a queen move. So let me tell you a story that might change your perspective and that might help you, which is mine. When I decided that I want to move out of my hometown to get my bachelor's degree and like study in a reputed university, I was not allowed. I was strictly told that the girls in Marwadi households do not move out alone, do not stay anywhere out alone. Doesn't matter doesn't matter what the purpose is for staying outside. I was literally asked to compromise on what I wanted the most and what was also my basic right. And the reason why I was not allowed to move out was ladki bigar jayegi. अकेले रह के लड़की बिगड़ जाएगी. you know did I bow down? Did I back down? No, I didn't. I thought about giving up. I thought about compromising. And I had the chance to be angry. I had the chance to fight, to be cruel, to be evil to them. But did I? I did not, because I knew that I do not owe them an explanation. And I did not waste my time proving that I'm a good daughter. Because when people are stuck in a mindset that they do not want to come out of, which is built from their past experiences, their fears, other stuff that just influences them, they simply cannot meet you where you met yourself. Was it painful? Hell yes, it was. Did I feel lonely? Hell yes, I felt lonely a lot of times because I literally had no one to support me. I was alone in this. It did break my heart, but did I victimize myself? I did not. I'm turning this into content, baby. I turned my loneliness into fuel because I just knew nobody's going to come and save me. And I have to be my own superhero. And it taught me that support, while it is so freaking beautiful to have, it is not a requirement for me to be successful or for me to live my life according my own terms. I am not telling disrespect your parents. I am not telling, go start a fight with them, go start a war with them if they're not, buying you what you want. Girls, please don't do that. I'm talking about being misunderstood and letting some people just misunderstand you, because you will be way more peaceful when you just let people be, let things be, and do not do anything to them or anything with them, because you made your peace with yourself, and that's what matters the most. And the universal truth, which is very sad but also can be very powerful if you perceive it in a right way, is that women will be misunderstood. Let's not turn this into oh, I don't get supported by my family. I'm always misunderstood. So I'm just a victim. Like, let's not perceive it like this. Let's perceive it in this way. I am alone, which means I have nothing to lose, which also means I have the power to make my own decisions. I have the power to decide what I want and to decide what I don't want and move in that journey. When you walk on your journey all alone, without no support, you become immensely powerful. You become unstoppable because you know yourself, you know your strengths, you know your weaknesses, you know how to get yourself back up all by yourself. Tell me why anybody can shatter you, because that that thing right there, honey, walking your journey all alone when there's no support, that is so freaking powerful, and it takes guts to do that. And if I did that, you can do that too. And realize one thing, that no matter if people walk with you or not, you have to walk on your journey all alone. You cannot be waiting for people to understand you, to listen to you, to support you. That is not something you should be waiting for. And always remember, you're not here to be understood. If people understand you, good, amazing, go on. But if they don't, you walk on your journey. You go to the destination all alone because you owe it to yourself. And remember that you are here to break cycles. You are here to show the next generation what's possible. So don't expect people to understand you when they haven't even understood themselves, when they haven't even known themselves fully. Your growth will scare a lot of people. Your growth will attract a lot of hate. Your growth will attract a lot of misunderstandings. But that should fuel you, not stop you. Because that is not your burden to carry. Let them misunderstand you, honey. Let them talk. Let them waste their time. But you build your life. You build your life brick by brick and do not listen to anything. You rise anyway. If you watch this video till the end, you are a freaking baddie, and I wish you all the love, success, and power. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.